Ma'am, good morning ma'am or good afternoon po. My name is Dave Justin Opeñeta from BS41. I will recite the RE 7438. The first one is right to counsel. The person has right to competent and incompetent counsel their choice. If the person has cannot afford one, the lawyer must be provided. Um, no, if, if ano yun? No custodial investigation shall proceed without counsel. Tapos, the second one, rights right to be informed of rights. They must be informed They must be informed of their rights in a dialect language they understand they understand Hindi, ulit. They must be informed of their rights in a language dialect they understand at the time of arrest and before questioning. Um, the next the next one is right 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 to right right to remain silence. They cannot be um, they cannot be compelled to testify against bro, themselves. Bro, tapos close open parenthesis, protection against self-incrimination, tapos close parenthesis. Tapos the next one is right right to right against right against torture force or violence. Any use of threats, inti, intimidation, coercion, or violence to extract confession or information is illegal and inadmissible in court. The next is, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Right to, right to confidential communication with counsel. Communication between the person and their law, lawyer must be private and confidential. And the um the next one is right right visit yun eh. Visit. Right to visit is family. Hindi. Right to visit ko right to visit ano yun? Right to visit and confer privately the following have the right to visit and confer private with the person. And the one the and the one the any member of any member of their intermediate family. Tapos the second one, hmm, may doctor, medical, medical doctor or priest minister chosen by them or their family. That's the third is NGO representative duty accredited by law. Tapos, ang sunod, right to notify relative or family. Ano yun? Parang malitan. Right to in not, right to notify family or relative. The person has the right the person has the right to have their family, relative, or friend notify of their situation immediately after the detention after arrest detention. Tapos right to right to assist right to assistance last one yun eh. In, indigent ba? Indigent person indigent person indigent ba? Indigent person under custodial investigation must be provided free and competent legal assistance. Ano pa ba yun? Legal assistance, financially. Hindi. Legal assistance. Yun, legal assistance usually from public attorney official or PADAO. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you po.